Hi everyone, it's Dominika Stoppa and today we're going to look at Pentel Arts Oil Pastels. I picked them up recently in a local shop for around €10, so they're very affordable student quality pastels. They come in a nice box and they're protected by this plastic film, which is nice. My first impression, I like the colour selection. Lots of nice blues and greens and pinks, especially, something I will definitely use. But the smell might turn you off depending how sensitive you are. I'm positively surprised how well pigmented they are comparing to some other budget quality oil pastels on the market. So that's definitely a plus. Although when I tried to create artworks like this one with the botanical leaves, first of all, I found it hard to create sharp edges, which I think is quite normal with pastels, but also they are quite gummy and patchy, and they're definitely not great for blending. It is possible to blend them, but it's not as great of an experience as if it would be with some other artist quality pastels on the market. But as I said, they are student quality, they're cheap, so I'm fairly happy overall with how they perform. I would definitely recommend them for beginners, or if you're looking to buy a gift for a young artist, they're definitely a good choice. And I tried to experiment with some small abstract artworks and scratching on top of the surface and blending, and it was overall a nice experience, so I'll definitely keep using them for some tutorials. I might get some more expensive set in the future, but for now they're more than enough to do mindful art exercises.